Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the most from TurboTax. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations involving investments or self-employment. Next, gather all your essential tax documents, like W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and receipts for deductions. Finally, create a new account or log into your existing one to begin your tax. Once logged in, leverage TurboTax's ability to import data directly from hundreds of financial institutions and employers. This feature can save you hours of manual entry and reduce transcription errors. For any information you must enter by hand, double-check every number and field. Take your time to review each completed section, ensuring accuracy before proceeding to the next step in the process. Now, it's time to load up your pasta salad with fresh, colorful vegetables. Gently fold in 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes and 1/2 cup of crisp sliced cucumber. Add 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 1/2 cup of chopped bell peppers for crunch and sweetness. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley and 2 tablespoons of fresh basil to elevate the flavors and add a wonderful aroma. Before filing, always run TurboTax's Smart Check feature. This powerful tool scans your entire return for common errors, missed deductions, and potential audit triggers. Take a moment to review your complete return, paying close attention to personal information and bank details. Finally, choose to e-file your return for the fastest processing and select direct deposit for your refund, typically received within 21 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.